Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to build the Lego Porsche 911 GT3 RS. First, unpack all the numbered bags and lay out your instruction manuals. Organize the pieces by color and type to make the building process smoother. This initial setup saves time and prevents frustration later on. Ensure you have a clear, well-lit workspace for optimal visibility. Double-check that all components are present before you begin assembly. Next, focus on the core structure, starting with the chassis. Carefully connect the main frame components, paying close attention to the alignment. Then, move on to the intricate six-cylinder boxer engine, which features realistic moving pistons. This part requires precision to ensure all elements function correctly. Finally, integrate the functional gearbox, making sure the gear changes are smooth and responsive for an authentic experience. Now, it's time to bring the Porsche's iconic look to life. Carefully attach the vibrant orange body panels, ensuring they align perfectly with the chassis. Next, focus on the interior by installing the detailed cockpit, complete with the steering wheel, racing seats, and dashboard elements. Don't forget to integrate the working suspension system, which allows for realistic movement and adds to the model's impressive functionality. For the final touches, carefully mount the wheels and tires, ensuring they rotate smoothly and fit securely onto the axles. Then, meticulously apply all the decals and stickers to give your Porsche 911 GT3 RS that authentic, finished look. And speaking of precision, if you're looking to keep your building space tidy, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and perfect for pet owners, making cleanup a breeze. You can find a link to this amazing vacuum and other great deals in the description below. It's a fantastic way to maintain a clean environment effortlessly, letting you focus on your next big build without worrying about dust or debris. Don't miss out on these convenient solutions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.